eat up over time, whether it's chipping paint from pickup on the road or it's taken a larger impact that it couldn't handle and you need a replacement. Now this stainless steel wire mesh upper replacement grille in matte black is a pretty affordable solution to a brand new look on the front end, especially great for the 2012 through 2015 Tacoma owner who is a fan of the blacked out, debadged appearance. It's also an easy, hassle-free mod if you want a simple way to get a lot of extra styling when it comes to your Tacoma. The biggest feature here is the simple appearance that this brings to the table with an all-black build and a plain wire mesh screen right in the middle. And the more plain appearance adds a sleek look to the front while allowing for unobstructed airflow into the radiator, which can in turn help with your Tacoma's cooling. Now while it has a matte black finish to it, the grille can also be customized to your liking if you do want to match it to your specific color code or add a gloss for a more polished appearance. This has an ABS plastic shell construction, making it durable with some impact resistance, and the molded construction of the ABS allows for a solid fit with no questions asked. Now the center here, however, is made of a 304 stainless steel wire mesh, which is tough and rust resistant thanks to the 304 nature, so even if you are in the rust belt, this is going to keep its appearance over time. Now on top of the mesh and the shell is a matte black finish, which not only matches well with other black accessories, but also provides some protection to the materials underneath. The kit also comes with a seal for the hood at the top, so that is going to give a little bit of a refresh, and all of the hardware that's required for a direct bolt-on install. This is about $250, which is right in the middle of the price range when it comes to a grille replacement. Now what makes this option stand out, however, is the durable stainless steel mesh right in the middle, taking up a majority of the build, which will keep this in solid condition against any impacts in the elements over time, being a more durable choice than a full plastic option. Now, it's also a super plain choice if you really like that simple debadged appearance for the front without too many design frills compared to other flashier choices. With that being said, it is going to be a more affordable price compared to a factory dealer replacement. So again, if you're looking for a refresh for a damaged grill while also getting a style upgrade in the meantime, this is a great solution for you. The install here is super easy at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it really shouldn't take any longer than an hour to get your old grill removed and this one popped into place. At this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can install this on your Tacoma at home. So that wraps it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
For this install, you're going to need a ratchet, a socket extension, a 10mm socket, and a clip removal tool. Today we're going to be installing the grill on our Tacoma. Let's get into it. First, we're going to remove these 2 bolts right here. And for that, I'm going to use a 10mm socket, a socket extension, and a ratchet. Then we're going to remove this clip and this clip over here with a clip removal tool. And then you can remove the grill. After that, we're going to be installing these brackets, and to do so, we're going to be using these Phillips head screws. And to install the Phillips head screws, we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. And after you've done that on this side, you can do the same thing on the other. And then we're going to reinstall the grill. After that, we're going to reinstall our plastic clips. For our last step, we're going to be reinstalling these 2 bolts with a 10mm socket, a socket extension, and a ratchet. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the stainless steel wire mesh upper replacement grill in matte black for a 2012 to 2015 Tacoma. Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.